Hi guys, in this video we're going to expand on our knowledge of how to interrogate our koala data sets. You'll remember we've already looked at how many females and males were admitted to hospital. So that comes from just one column, that being column H. What if I want to compare data from two different columns? Well, that's what we're going to do now. We're going to be looking at how many koalas were injured because of a dog, which is column T, and how many koalas were injured because they were hit by a vehicle, which is column AB. Notice that after column Z, I need to have a name for the next column, and so it starts AA, AB, and so on all the way through to AZ. Then it will go BA, BB, and so on. Just in case you're wondering. I'm going to create a new sheet because I don't want to go in and start putting things into this. I want this, the original, to stay as is. So a new sheet just by clicking there, and in this sheet I'm going to use a COUNTIF function, and again I'm going to be referring back to KoalaBase 2017. You might remember that in order to refer back to that, I have this KoalaBase 2017 referring to a different sheet, then the range of cells, and then what I'm looking for. It's going to be a very similar formula. So I'm going to rename the sheet so it's not confusing for me. I will call this one Injuries by Dog and Car. My question is how many koalas are attacked by dogs or injured by vehicles as a percentage. I'll put the information about dogs here and the information about cars here. The dog formula is going to be similar, as I said, to the formula for females and males. Equals COUNTIF, and then our brackets tell the spreadsheet which other sheet to look at, which is KoalaBase 2017, and the cells, if I go back to KoalaBase, the cells are going to be caused by dog from T2 all the way down to T39,907, and I want that to bring back the data if the data is true, and that true will probably have to be in capitals. Now let's see if that works. Okay, look, so this is what comes up. There's a problem with the formula, and I can see what the error is already. It's because of the way that I've written it. Notice I've got KoalaBase here, and then it got automatically put in a second time. So I'll get rid of this second version of it. I also need to get rid of that bracket. Now let's see if it works now. And it does, 2,559. And with cars, I'm going to copy this formula into here, and I'm going to change it from T to whatever the vehicle hit is, which is AB. So I'll just get rid of the T, change it to AB, and again change it to AB for the end of the range. So there I have how many were hit by dogs, how many were hit by cars. At the moment this information is pretty ordinary. I want it to look a little bit better, so I'm going to put it into a pie chart so I can highlight the data that I want. I can insert a 2D pie chart, and I can start making the chart make a little bit more sense. I'll change the title. And there I have my data, which has been displayed in a way that people can understand without having to know too much about numbers. There are a number of other comparisons that you could make. Conjunctivitis versus cystitis, ones that were brought in dead, or ones that were just sick, and so on, that you could make comparisons for. But I'll leave you to it. I'll talk to you in the next video.